Cyclone Jal was originated in the blank. Right answer is option A, South China Sea. Friends, Cyclone Jal was the fifth cyclonic storm of the 2010 North Indian Ocean cyclone season and the fourth extreme cyclonic storm. It formed from a low pressure area in the South China Sea that consolidated on October 28 into a tropical depression. When was the Bureau of Indian Standards established? Right answer is option D, 23 December 1986. Friends, it was established under the Bureau of Indian Standards Act 1986. It was established on 23 December 1986. Headquarters is in Manek Bhavan, New Delhi. Bureau of Indian Standards is the national standards setting body. It works under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. When did the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961 came to force? Right answer is option D, 1st July 1961. Friends, on 20th May 1961, the Parliament of India enacted an act to prohibit the giving or taking of dowry called the Prohibition of Dowry Act 1961. The act came to force on 1st July 1961. Breakdown of pyruvate into lactic acid and energy in lack of oxygen takes place in which of the following? Right answer is option C, human muscle cells. Green revolution in India is related to which of the following? Right answer is option B, food and agricultural production. Friends, green revolution in India is related to food and agricultural production. M.S. Swaminathan is known as the father of the green revolution in India. Who among the following was the commander of Muhammad Ghori and also founded the slave dynasty in India? Right answer is option D, Qutbuddin Aibak. Friends, Qutbuddin Aibak was the founder of the slave dynasty. He was also known as Lakh Baks because of his generosity. He served as a commander in Muhammad Ghori's army. He died in the year 1210 AD while playing Chaugan or Polo. Another name for the slave dynasty is the Mamluk dynasty. Dynasty was succeeded by the Khilji dynasty. By what name will the place on the moon where Chandrayaan 2 has left its footprints be known? Right answer is option C, Tiranga Point. Friends, Chandrayaan 2 was launched on 22 July 2019. Rocket was GSLV Mark III, lander was Bikram and rover was Pragyan. Which state divides India, Indian and Sri Lanka? Right answer is option B, Pak Strait. Friends, Pak State is a state between the Tamil Nadu state of India and the Mannar district of the northern province of Sri Lanka. The state is named after Robert Pak. Permanent hardness of water is due to. Right answer is option C, MgCl2. Friends, the mineral content of hard water is high. Permanent hardness of water is due to the presence of chlorides and salts of calcium and magnesium. Which one of the following is the natural oxygen? Right answer is option C, IAA. Friends, IAA means indole 3 acetic acid is the abundant and well-known plant hormone of the oxygen class. Its formula is C10H9NO2. Which of the following instrument is used to measure blood pressure? Right answer is option B, sphygmomanometer. Friends, normal blood pressure is 120 by 80 mmHg. Our blood pressure reading consists of two parts. The first is systolic blood pressure, which is 120, and second is diastolic blood pressure, which is 80. What was the old name of Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, the biggest sports award that given in India? Right answer is option D, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Friends, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is presented annually by the Ministry of Youth Affairs. The award consists of a medal, a certificate, and a cash prize of 25 lakh. This is India's highest sporting honor. It was first awarded to Viswanathan Anand for chess in 1991. Who is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Right answer is option C, Karnam Malleswari. Friends, Karnam Malleswari became the first Indian woman to win a medal at the Olympics in Sydney in 2000. She also became the first Indian woman to become a weightlifting world champion in 1994 in Istanbul. Which ruler of Delhi Sultanate shifted his capital from Delhi to Devgiri? Right answer is option A, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. About 50% of the blank basin lies in Maharashtra. Right answer is option A, Godavari. Friends, the Godavari is the second longest river in India after the Ganges and the third largest in India, accounting for about 10% of the total geographical area of India. Its source is in Trimbakeshwar, Nasik, Maharashtra. The Godavari is the largest in peninsular India and is known as the Dakshin Ganga. Speed of sound in air at 0 degrees centigrade is blank. Right answer is option C, 332 meter per second. Friends, the speed of sound decreases by 0.6 meter per second for every 1 degree Celsius that the temperature decreases. At 0 degrees Celsius, the speed of sound is approximately 331.5 meter per second. Which of the following is equivalent to Coulomb per second? Right answer is option C, ampere. Friends, Coulomb per second is equivalent to ampere. A Coulomb is a unit of electric charge. A Coulomb is a name given in the memory of French physicist Charles Augustin de Coulomb. When is World Consumer Rights Day celebrated annually? Right answer is option B, 15 March. Friends, World Consumer Rights Day is celebrated annually on 15th March. The idea of celebrating a Consumer Rights Day was given by former US President John F. Kennedy in 1962. World Consumer Rights Day was celebrated for the first time on 15 March 1983. The ancestors of Sungas originated from. Right answer is option C, Ujjain. Friends, establishment of the Sunga dynasty 185 BC to 73 BC. Pushyamitra killed the last Maurya Empire, Brihadrath, and succeeded the Maurya dynasty. The capital of the Sunga dynasty was Patliputra. The ancestors of the Sungas originated from the city of Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following diseases is caused by the human itch mite? Right answer is option B, scabies.